Hello everyone and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Beldex wallet application on your Android or iOS device. To find out how to do this, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then open up the App Store. Otherwise, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you open it up, type in Beldex Wallet and then tap on the search button. Once you find the application, tap on Install and wait for the installation to complete. The installation may take a while, so make sure you wait for some time. Once it's done, tap on the Open button. Now the Beldex application will open up. You can now either create a new wallet or use your existing wallet by choosing either of those options. If you choose to create a new wallet, you will be asked to set up a PIN. You can set up your PIN and then continue from there. To use your existing wallet, you will need to restore from your seed or keys. So there you have it. That is how you can download the Beldex wallet application on your phone and use the wallet conveniently even when you don't have access to your PC. If you find this video useful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with future content that we upload. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.